Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So take a look at that. I just got a package in the mail the other day from AvE, one of my favorite YouTubers. Excuse me. So a couple months back, I noticed that that he was, he announced his little machined scalpel they put together, and I definitely didn't really need it. But if I could have a little artifact from one of my favorite guys to watch on YouTube, then I figured I'd pitch in the 95 or $100 or whatever it was to get this little dealio. So I'm gonna put the thing together and see how I like it. I was, and one of the reasons I ordered, I think I ordered this almost immediately when I saw his announcement for it, because he said that the first batch was going to get little Torx screws, which I don't know if you can see, but I got me the Torx, his little Torx screw model. He said that he'd ship the first ones with those until they ran out, and I didn't notice till after I'd already bought myself some more X-Acto blades, but he also included a little blade, so kind of nifty how he did that. But yeah, let's see if we can get this thing assemblaged. But yeah, I think man, I love his content. I just think he's genuinely a good dude. So Canadian tools being represented on my channel now. So so I'll admit I opened this up before I showed you guys, to kind of play around with it just a little bit. So let's see if I can raise this guy up and give some better lighting here. But there's this little, okay, so you got your little button, your little slider button, and then you've got you got this guy, which I believe is what's going to hold the blade, right? And yeah, so let's see if hopefully I can figure this out and do it the right way. But now, so I admit I already put the little, so there's this little spring here. I already put one end of the spring over that, and then it looks like the other end goes over this little kind of little dowel. I don't know, whatever this is, right there, like that, right? And then I don't think it matters which way the blade go. Looks like it can go either way, but I'm gonna try it like that. See how that works. Just like that. And then I believe this just goes like this. Oh, yeah, no, I missed my button, which I'm pretty sure that the longer side right there goes up. Pretty sure. Guess we'll find out in a second here. All right, so I think it go like that, and then just yep, kind of slick, pretty slick, just like that. Okay, so I think I confirmed it worky. I think, yeah. just like that. Kind of cool how it just shoots back into the retracted position. And now let's see if I have a Torx driver that'll work with these little guys. And I just got this little tiny Amazon set for like $15 the other day. And I'm wondering if, yeah, it looks like, what is this? VT4. So I think this might work. So I think it's gonna be one of these and one of these. And I did not look up if he had any constructions on his site. To see about how much I should be snugging these things up. Because I imagine, I think the one downside to this thing is you gotta, as far as I can tell, you gotta take out all these screws every time you want to change the blade out. But so yeah, if there's a downside, I guess that's probably it. But again, I did not buy this because I was in need of a fancy scalpel handle. I just bought it because I'm a fan. And yeah, I do think it's cool how this, with this brass or whatever, we'll get like a nice patina over time. Okay, getting close. We just got one more left. It's nice he included a couple spare screws. Probably gonna have to figure out what they are, because I'm sure, you know, if you gotta take these out every time, probably gonna need to replace them every once in a while. Let's see. Just go back over them, give them a little bit. All right, so check it out. But anyway, pretty nifty. So yeah, if any of you guys watching my stuff and you haven't watched AvE's content, go give him a watch. I mean, I'm sure you guys probably have, though. But I think one of his favorite videos that he did was his kind of meaning of life video. So if you haven't seen that one, definitely check that one out. But it's funny, I stumbled onto him when I was looking for some reviews on this Bosch tool that I'd bought, and he just eviscerated the thing. But then after that, I couldn't stop watching. So anyways, kind of a fun little tool. So yeah, go check it out. Go get you one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.